We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from.
Hey, it's me, Seyvon Genie, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Y'all thought I was gone. Y'all thought I was gone, right? Because I haven't posted in a minute. But I was getting some things together, you know, trying to get the content together to put out. Y'all not going to get rid of me that quick. I'm not going to go back on my word that quick. I still got my journal, and I'm still going to be pumping out content, just so y'all know. Well, anyway, here I am, babes. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. We're almost to 100 subscribers. That's really amazing. Yeah, I really am grateful for that. You guys don't understand how hard it was for me to put out my very first video, just because so many insecurities, so much nerves, everything. But I'm like, I post on Instagram all the time, I post on TikTok, so what's the difference? I don't know. Anyway, I can go ahead and subscribe to the channel because there's going to be more videos. You're already here, you're watching this one, you probably watched my last one. If you haven't, go watch it. And all my socials will be linked down below, so go ahead and go follow me on my other social media accounts. I'm gonna post more videos like this where I have like my followers, like my Instagram followers helping me out with my videos and everything. So if you want to be a part of that, go over there, go follow me and participate in the polls I post every now and then, and you might be helping me out with my next project. I don't know. And yeah, so let's get this going. So a few weeks ago I had asked my Instagram followers if they wanted to participate in a video that I have planned. So I put a few polls on my story and had my Instagram followers, you know, vote in the polls, and then this video came about. So when the poll was over and everything, my original plan was to either use the yarn that I already have or go to the store and use it as an excuse to buy more yarn for this project that I wanted to do. But lo and behold, We Are Knitters, like, I can't even believe I'm saying this, but We Are Knitters reached out to me on TikTok and was like, we really love your page and we want to send you some stuff. Is it okay if we send you some stuff? And I'm like, of course, like 1,000,000,000%, you guys can send me anything. They were like, okay, so we're going to send you a link to our website and you could just pick whatever you want and we'll send it over to you. And I'm like, okay, is there like a limit, or like do I just pick whatever? Like, I don't want to go crazy because I'm looking at the website and I'm like, I want this, 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 and this, and this, and this, and this. And I'm like, ooh, I haven't tried mohair. Let me get some mohair. I haven't tried this. Let me get this and this and this. I want to take advantage and I don't want y'all to think that I'm greedy or anything. So I was like, you know what, let me calm down. They were like, so if you have a project that you're thinking about making, then you could just pick that and then we'll go from there. And I was like, say less, let me just go over to the website. And I'm like, wow, this is perfect. Everything is like falling into place. I just asked my Instagram followers what I should do, and then you guys giving me free yarn to make the project. Like, that's it was just such perfect timing. It couldn't have been better than that. And they also said to me, this is not sponsored or anything, we just really like your content, we want to send you some stuff, you don't have to make a video or anything like that. And I'm like, I mean, I'm already gonna make a video, so it's just falling into place. So yeah, I got a package from We Are Knitters. Let's open this up, let's get this started. So I already know what's all in here, but this is my first time like actually feeling their materials, so that's really exciting. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. It says, reuse this paper bag to keep your knitting projects, your yarns, or whatever you want. We Are Knitters, all the happiness in a kit. Oh my gosh. So, before we even get into the bag, let me pull up the results. As I've already said before on Instagram a few weeks ago, I had to ask my followers a few different questions to help me with my next project, which is this one. In the first poll, it says, red, orange, yellow, or pink? Pink won, so we'll start with that. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ooh, this mohair is so soft. It's so pretty. So the first one I got is this dusty mauve color. Mauve or mauve? How do you guys say it? Is it a pink? Let's see. Hey Siri, is mauve a pink color? Mauve is a color located on the color wheel in the middle of violet and pink. So I mean, I was a little sneaky with this one. It's a little purplish pink, but I mean, it said it's in the middle of purple and pink, so it would be considered a pink, right? Right? It could be a pink or it could be a purple. Anyway, it's cute. I love it. I've never worked with mohair before, and the strands are so, oh gosh, what did I get myself into? Not in a bad way, but like I've never worked with something so thin, but it's really fuzzy. I like the fuzziness, but that's what I was going for anyway. It's 54% baby alpaca, 24% mulberry silk, 22% super kid mohair, whatever that means. I'm not the best with describing yarns and all of that. I just pick what's pretty and I work with it. I'm sorry, if you came here to get a full in-depth review, that's not what it is. That is not what this is. I am so sorry. Like when I very first started crocheting, I just picked the hook that I thought looked the prettiest or was my favorite color, and it was an orange hook. I didn't know I got the wrong size hook for the yarn that I was using. I was just going off of vibes and what I like. But I got that color. I got 2 of these, and then I got this other pink. Now this is pink. This is the millennial pink. It says pink in the name, so this is pink. Can't clock me there. So I got the millennial pink. This is their petite wool. It's 100% wool. No different percents of anything else. It's just 100% wool. But yeah, this is really cute. This is pretty. I like how thick it is. Oh god, I'm doing such a bad review. I'm so sorry. This isn't a review video though. This is just me unboxing and showing things off and being happy that I got sent things. The second poll that I had was green, blue, purple, and brown. I was really hoping that people let purple win just because I had an idea of like the pink and the purple together. I was like, okay. But it was a really close match. But green ended up winning with 32%. And let's see what green ones I got. Oh, this is so pretty. So this is sage green. This is mohair as well. The same percentages as the dusty mauve. Mauve or mauve? How do you guys say it? These together? That's cute. Y'all can't tell me that's not... Well, I mean, y'all picked it. Y'all knew it was going to be cute. So I got 2 of these. I got 2 of their aquamarine as well. And this is their mohair. I got a lot of mohair. I wonder if I'm going to use all of it on this project. Oh, this is so cute. Hey Siri, is aquamarine a green color?
Aquamarine color. A shade between green and blue.
So this is kind of the same situation with the dusty mauve. So I kind of cheated. Don't fight me. Put the pitchforks down. I would say it's a bluish green. Like this looks cute too. So I got 2 of these as well. I got another one of their petite wool. It's in the colorway olive. I only got 1 of these because I was like, I got 2 of like so many other things. I don't want to like, I don't know. I felt like I was being greedy, but at the same time, they were like, get as much as you need for your project. But yeah, so this is the olive color. And then I got 2 of these. This, oh, it looks so nice on the camera. This is in the colorway forest green. I like how this looks. It's another one of their petite wool. But I love the texture. It's so soft. I cannot wait to work up this project. I got 2 of these. So on the poll I also asked white, black, or gray. Black one, so that's why I got this black one. And it is the petite wool again, 100% wool. I have such a great idea for this. I'm so excited for this project, guys. Like, this is probably going to be one of my favorite things that I'm going to do all year, and it's only January. So that's all the yarn that they had sent me, and honestly, I was so embarrassed even telling them that I wanted all this. The total of all that yarn together, it came to $170.40. I'm just so thankful. Thank you guys. If you guys do see this video, I really appreciate it, and I'm so excited for this project. So on my story, I asked 2 other questions, which I will kind of get into now, but you'll see it develop a little more later. So the first one was color block, stripe, checkered, or all of the above. All of the above won with a 39%. Why I feel like y'all try to set me up.
I think somebody trying to set me up.
Or maybe I set myself up because I don't know why I put all of the above on there. And y'all really made it win. And then the other question that I had asked was star, heart, or plain. And if heart had won, I probably would have did something more like Valentine theme, I feel like. And so I'm really happy that star won because I have such a cute idea for star. Oh god. So I'm sick. Got sick while I was working on the project, but that didn't stop me from making progress. I just haven't been filming it, and I'm so sorry. It didn't take me that long though. This is what I have so far. I'm going to do an identical piece for the back part. I don't have an iPad, so I went on Instagram and I was drawing on there trying to see what design I like best, and I went with this one. I don't know, I kind of like it. It's different from anything I own for sure, and different from anything that I've made, which I kind of like. It kind of pushed me to do something a little bit different. I don't mind it at all. It looks a little small, but it might be like a little fitted as well, but also the mohair is really lightweight and like stretchy. And this mohair is actually making it very far. Like I still have a lot of yarn left. So I used every color so far except the millennial pink. And what I'm thinking of doing for that is like the ribbing around the armholes and maybe the bottom. I didn't want to add too much of the wool toward the bottom because I didn't want it to like pull too heavy on the mohair. So that's just where I'm at right now. Once I get the identical piece, I'm gonna put it together and try it on, and then we'll see how we're doing. Yeah. Here it is. It's not fully done yet. I literally have it all held together by these little like binder clips just to see if I need to like change anything before actually like sewing it together. So this is just a quick little update. This is what it looks like so far. I thought it was gonna fit a little tighter, which I'm glad it doesn't because this is like perfect. And then I don't know if I said it in the last clip or not, but I still have to use black and millennial pink, and then I would be using all the colors, and we'll see. I'll probably the finished product done on the next clip. But yeah, okay, so I'm doing a little bit better today. I actually finished this. I didn't film much because I was not feeling good, but I got this done. I used a millennial pink on the bottom for the ribbing and on the armholes. So I have used all of the colors except for black, and I was going to use black for like these little stars that I made. I was going to put the little stars in like random spots on this. I don't know how cute that'll be or not, but I don't know. I mean, it'll look different, but I feel like it'll still be cute. So I'm gonna try this on. So this is how it's looking. I still have to put away a few strings here and there. On top of that, I still have to put like, I don't know where I want to do the placement for the stars just yet, but I know I am going to put them on here somewhere. Not right here. But yeah, this is how it looks from the back. Okay, so I wanted to come on here real quick and say, as I was putting the stars on here in like random spots, I haven't like sewed them down all the way yet. I kind of want to add some pink stars as well. Now, I know like the base is really light already besides like the checkered area, and I know that the stars were gonna like ground it a little more because everything else was like kind of light. So having like a good balance of like light and dark on this piece was kind of nice. Like this is very different, but I actually like it a lot. It's kind of quirky in a bikini bottom kind of way. But I don't know, I kind of like it. But I wanted to add pink stars as well. But then also now I don't know if that'll look like really giving Patrick Star. I don't know, I feel like I need more millennial pink in this. I wish I could ask you guys what you think, but I can't because I want to keep it a surprise at the same time. I don't know.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
So these are the stars. I just took them all off because I took a picture of it and I sent it to my sister, and she was like, they actually look like flowers. So now I have to redo all the stars. I have to recrochet the stars to make them more pointier and then put them on here. I just want to be done, and it's not even that like I don't want to do this. I just want to be done because I'm excited for like the finished product. Okay. Okay, so this is how it came out. This is the final piece. Full 360. How do you guys like it? It's got the stars on here. These are the stars that I redid. They're not the ones that look like a flower. This is honestly really fun to do. It challenged me to like do something different, kind of like having other people pick the colors for me to go together and pick like the, I don't know, like pattern, I guess. Even though like I took it my own way, I still did the stars. So color block, striped, and checkered, and then used all the colors that my Instagram followers chose for me. All of it's complete. So I think I did a successful job. This is really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry that I didn't film more of like the process. I was just not feeling well, didn't want to be on camera or anything. I still sound like I don't sound 100% well. Yeah, that's the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. So as I'm doing some last minute edits, I wanted to come on here really quick and give a really big thank you once again to We Are Knitters for giving me this yarn to use. I really appreciate it. I had a really great time doing this project. I just wish I wasn't sick during it. I just wanted to come on here really quick and just say thank you once again for the free yarn. Like, that's so amazing. I actually have a little bit left over, so I will probably be making some more things. But anyway, thank you guys again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like and everything else. I really appreciate it, and you guys have a nice day. Bye.